Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the map scrolling function in the NaviBridge application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the left, and then click on the settings button and at the nav unit configuration section, look for the map scrolling button. And by enabling map scrolling, you will be able to control the navigation map from the NaviBridge screen on your device. So if you want to enable this, just click on the white circle next to it. And once it turns green, this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.